Today we're going to work on the Hour of Code, Explore Artificial Intelligence. So I'm going to click Join. And I'm going to click over here, Explore Artificial Intelligence. And we're going to do AI for Oceans. So you could watch this video on your own. And this is going to be on machine learning. So you're going to train the computer or the AI, the artificial intelligence, you're going to train them in what is a fish and what's not a fish so that it could know how to clean up the ocean. So what you have to do is you have to train the AI, excuse me, AI meaning artificial intelligence. You have to train it. Is it a fish or is it garbage? Now, if I just click continue and I don't do any training, what happens is the artificial intelligence or AI, it doesn't know what's a fish or what's garbage. So what you have to do is you have to give it some training so it understands a pattern, it understands what to look for. So is this a fish? No, it's not a fish. Is this a fish? Click fish. Not a fish. So every time you click, you're training the AI for what you want it to look for. So here I'm saying not fish, not fish, fish, not fish. So it's sort of like Netflix. When you watch Netflix and you say, I like this video, I don't like this video, and then eventually they send you the videos that you like, or Spotify, they send you the songs that you like. We're doing the same thing. We're saying this is a fish, this is a fish, this is not a fish, not a fish, not a fish. So when you're done, okay, when you're done, you're going to click continue. So I'll say a fish, and I'll say not a fish. And then when you're done, you just click continue. Now you run. Okay, let's click run. So AI made some mistakes, okay? So you see some of these fish here they got, but there was an apple in there, which they made a mistake. And we can switch. We can switch and see that some of these fish were labeled as trash. So the AI isn't doing as well as we'd like it to do. It needs to have a little bit more of an update. So what's happening is AI is getting confused because a starfish, even though it doesn't look like a fish, it belongs in the water. So what we have to do is we got to train it to understand what to do. So now we're going to say, does it belong in the water? Okay, so you say, does it belong in the water? So now we have to train them. Does this belong in the water? No, it belongs in the water. No, no. Okay, so if you make a mistake, AI is not going to be fully ready. Okay. And then you click continue. So you see you made a mistake with the tire. Okay, you click continue. So you see AI, it made some mistakes here. We still have some garbage in the water here under the check mark. So you could go back and you could train more how to make this much more effective so you won't have garbage in the water here. So let's take a look. I'll skip the video and I'll just go to this one over here. So this is all about training AI how to pick the right one. What type of fish do you want to train AI to detect? Maybe I want to do a redfish. Red. Okay, so you have to sort them. So you could train more. You see, I got a little confused on this one. So you could train more to make your selections a little bit more effective. So now you're going to pick the word that you like, and I'll say fast maybe. So I'm looking for a fast fish. I'm going to say this is a fast fish. I'm going to say this one is as well. Okay, and then I'm going to say not fast. And I'm going to say fast. And then I click continue when you're done. And now it's going to, based on my opinions or my data, it's going to say what it thinks is a fast fish or not. Okay, so this is our section on AI for oceans, and it's all about artificial intelligence and how artificial intelligence works. You help the first few selections so that it gets a sense of what you want, and then eventually it can do the sorting for you.